Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can report a technical problem in Messenger. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Messenger application, and then you need to click on three bars on the top left. From here you need to click on this gear icon. Then you simply need to scroll down, and in safety you can see report technical problem. You simply need to click on that, and here you can see report problem. Click here, click on include, and here you can include a screenshot, and here you can see briefly explain what happened and what we need to do to reproduce the problem. Okay, and here you need to add your issue, and then you need to click on send, and then the Messenger team will look at the issue and help to resolve your issue. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.